Tired of missing fields and lost deals when creating opportunities in Salesforce? Here's the exact 8-step process to get it right every time. We'll start from the Opportunity tab, click New, then fill in the key fields: name, account, close date, stage, and forecast category. Then save. Let's go ahead and jump in. So the very first thing you want to do is make sure you're starting from the right place. In the main navigation bar at the top of your Salesforce screen, you'll see a bunch of tabs. Look for the one that says Opportunities and give it a click. This brings you to the list view, where you can see all your existing deals. Starting from here just keeps everything organized and make sure you're in the right section of Salesforce before we create anything new. All right, now that you're on the Opportunity list view, you'll see a button up near the top left that says New. It's usually a blue button, pretty hard to miss. Go ahead and click that. This tells Salesforce you want to create a fresh record, and it'll pull up a new window or a pop-up where we can start filling in all the important details. And here's where we start building out the deal. The first thing Salesforce asks for is the opportunity name. This is the name of the deal itself. Be specific here. Instead of just typing new deal or big account, use something clear that you and your team can recognize later. Something like Acme Corp Q4 software renewal or Smith Consulting implementation. I usually recommend using a naming convention that includes the account name and the product or service. It makes searching and reporting so much easier down the line. Now, this next field is crucial. You need to link this opportunity to an account. And by account, I mean the company or organization you're selling to. Click into the account name field and start typing. Salesforce will try to auto-complete from your existing accounts. If the account already exists, just select it from the dropdown. If it doesn't exist yet, you'll need to create that account first before you can link it here. This connection is what keeps your pipeline organized and your reporting accurate, so take the time to get this right. Next up, we need to set the expected close date. This is the date you anticipate the deal will actually close, not when you hope it closes. Be realistic. Go ahead and click the date picker icon, or just type the date directly in the format your Salesforce org uses. Usually that's month/day/year. Setting a close date is important because it drives your forecasting and your pipeline reports. If you don't set one, your deal just floats out there with no timeline, and that's not helpful to anyone. This is one of the most important fields, so pay close attention. The stage field tells everyone where this deal is in your sales process. Click the drop-down and look at the options your admin has set up. You might see stages like prospecting, qualification, needs analysis, proposal, negotiation, or closed won. Pick the stage that honestly reflects where the deal is right now. Don't be tempted to move it forward just to make your pipeline look better. A stage called prospecting means you're just starting to talk to them. A stage called negotiation means you're hashing out terms. Being accurate here keeps your forecasts reliable. Now, let's set the forecast category. This is often tied to the stage, but it's worth checking. The forecast category tells your sales leadership and the forecasting system whether this deal is in your pipeline, committed, or just best case. Typically, if the stage is early, it might default to pipeline. If it's later in the process, it might switch to commit or best case, but make sure it matches your judgment. If you feel confident this deal is going to close, adjust it accordingly. This is one of those fields that can make or break your team's visibility into what's actually coming. Get it right. All right, we filled in all the essentials: name, account, close date, stage, forecast category. Now, it's time to lock it in. Find the Save button, usually at the bottom of the page or the bottom of the pop-up window. Give it a click. And that's it. Your new opportunity is now live in Salesforce. You'll be taken to the record page where you can see everything you just entered. And the best part is, you now have a clean, complete record that your team can find, report on, and track. No more fumbling around or missing fields. From here, you can add products, contacts, and next steps as the deal progresses. But for now, you've got a solid foundation. Nice work.